Hello, hello. My name is Milanis. I am a psychological student. I am 26 years old. Um, I am from Cesar, Colombia. I live with my mother, my sister, my husband. I work at Mercant. I am gonna go to Santa Marta. On my next vacation, I'm gonna visit the Sierra Nevada, and also I am gonna go to Minca, nice place in the mountain. I'm gonna stay there with my boyfriend. On my last trip I went to Tayrona Park, but now I'm gonna go to Buritaca. I'm gonna go to Playa Cristal, and the best one town. And of course I'm gonna buy a lot of souvenirs. Thank you, Tudor.